Hi everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and it's time for another tongue twister. Are you ready? Today we're going to do quite a difficult one, and we're really practicing the w sound. Let me demonstrate, and you'll see what I mean. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh, that's so hard. So we're doing the w and the ch and the oo and the k sound. So all those tricky sounds in one. Now, believe me, as we say this faster and faster, it gets harder and harder. So let's start slowly. 1, 2, 3. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Let's do it faster. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? And again, how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh, that was hard. Let's try one more time as quickly as we can. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? And again, how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Can you do it faster than me? But make sure you're still pronouncing those sounds. Your turn. Let's go. Well done. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That's actually quite fun, isn't it? So there you go. My funny tongue twister for the day. It's up to you now to practice. And yeah, I will be back soon for another tongue twister for you to practice and have fun with again. Bye.